Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for Color Rush Studio, and I am using the cutest kit. It is for August 2024, which is kind of amazing that we're already there. So it has got the most beautiful pieces that I just had to fussy cut out because, that's what I do. We have got little bows and little wings and die cut ephemera pieces. There are acrylics. I have the main kit, the bold kit, as well as the acrylics kit. So I have so many treasures. We have got Flair from Scrap and Happy Studio, yum. And we even have these amazing Prima florals. So we have so many things. Now, what I thought I would do is I love this piece here. We've got a diagonal kind of a plaid or a check. I thought I would grab a piece of white cardstock. This is just from my stash. And I think I'm going to go ahead and use it for a background, but I want to put a nice little stitch line around it. I will, of course, gut this paper so that I can use it elsewhere. Perfect. Then what I want to do is this piece of paper right here. It says rainbow paper. Let's see. There we go. It looked like this before I did a little chop. I want to pop it up on just a little bit of dimension. Maybe put a sew line down the center of it for a little extra texture, right? I think that's going to look gorgeous. And then these pinky flowers, I thought they'd look so pretty at the end of the rainbow. So I haven't even shown you my photo. This is my photo. This is this is a photo of my daughter and myself. We're on Mackinac Island. I will go ahead and mat it with white cardstock that we have right here. The same kind of cardstock, just a scrap of it, as well as a piece of this cute plaid. But wouldn't that look so cute? All in the rainbow. And then I can use this fab acrylic that reads pure gold. Oh my gosh, I like where it is going already. So I've got my sewing lines on, my rainbows popped up, my photo is double matted and has a little bit of adhesive on the back as well. I like the idea that this pure gold will be resting where you can really see it on the lighter part of the rainbow. Now, what do we want to do? I don't know. So let's see. This pure gold also has, pure gold's part of the acrylic kit. I like the idea of making sure to have some of these really pretty pink ones and maybe a gold one as well. So why don't I do that? Oh, look, we can have 3 different colors of acrylics. Perfect. Do I want that or do I want to, I don't know. I'll leave it like that for now. Now, we talked about wanting to get lots of these gorgeous pink pieces in because I knew I wanted to use some of the pink acrylic, right? So I have to start introducing some pretty pink. So let's see. I'm going to start lining up, not lining up, nothing's going to be straight and tidy, but I'm going to start plopping lots of these pinky florals. Now, I do know clearly that we've got this really gorgeous like orangey yellow kind of vibe in the background. So that's where I'll make sure to have some of these florals as well that I went ahead and fussy cut. Guys, I cut out 2 pieces of the paper. Ooh, maybe that'll go up there more because I just loved all of the artwork. I just had to go off. So we're going to have this kind of vibe. And I'm going to, pop all the flowers up. That'll be great. Now, I also want to make sure that I take a look at some of these pieces. Oh, how cute. We've got these really, oh my gosh, these are perfect. These gorgeous little mauvey butterfly little friends. So they're going to go flying off. Perfect. Got a little bit of a moon. Guys, there's some of the prettiest goodies in here. There are so many pretty things. We have got frazzles and ribbons. This might be on my second layout because I've got a lot going on here. Oh, and a third little butterfly friend. So that is going to be just about perfect. I like that. I think right there, just so I have some movement going up. So I'm going to plop all kinds of flowers. Now, I also, oh yes, I do, have some wood cuts. I think I'm going to grab some Distress Oxide to decorate these little guys up in some of the pinks, some of the golds. That will be fun. Speaking of that, let me grab my little blending brushes. I use like all kinds of little blending brushes when I decorate up my wood pieces. So guys, this is what I have going right now. So I'm going to get a bunch of flowers on, make sure they're popped up. I like my title there. And then I'm going to tuck in a few of the wood pieces. I haven't even looked at these. All right, I'm going to save, I don't know. I think I'm going to save these, my frazzles, as a big part of my next layout. I don't even know what's going to be on there. And then, oh, Sweet Time with You. Yep. That's going to totally make its way in here, the Sweet Time with You. And Simple Moments, Sweet Times. I like the idea. Although, guys, look at how fun that is to repeat this piece. Hello. But I like the idea of bringing in this one as well because I'm going to get a little bit of the pink on there. Okay. Phew, I come down, I get a bunch of pieces on, and I'll be right back. So let's see. All of these pieces are on here, and I love it. Love it. I went ahead and used a bunch of Distress Oxides and colored up my little floral pieces. Now, I don't have to use them all on this because, you know, I just had it match the kit. So it'll be good for creating going forward. But I wouldn't mind seeing if we can get just a couple of these gorgeous little bits tucked in here. There's a spot there. Ooh, a spot right here. And these little leaves, this really gorgeous green tone, I can pop. I thought I had 4. I'm missing a green leaf. Here it is. I'm like, excuse me? Thought I had another one. Just seeing where I might want to have it come out because I like when the little wood bits are separated out a little bit if I can. Just keeping the whole thing interesting. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to pop them down. This little bit of gorgeousness will hang out for another day. All right, I'm going to pop those down. I just have to decide if there's anything else I want to do. I love the look of this. I love it. I think it is awesome. So pretty. This collection, it is working for me. But I'm looking at it and I'm thinking I'm pretty darn happy, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'll have links down below where you can get your hands on this kit. Come over to the Facebook group and we have a sketch of the month challenge. That is super fun. Jump in on that. We'd love to see what you create, guys. I'll have a few still shots to follow and I will see you ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.